Good morning everyone. Today we are discussing one question. If p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, then find the values of p of minus 1, p of 0 and p of 1. First I am writing what is p of x. P of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. P of minus 1. P of minus 1 means we write in place of x minus 1. So that is minus 1 square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. X is replaced by minus 1 and the remaining all same. Minus 1 square, its value plus 1. Minus into minus plus 5. Then next to plus 6. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Next to p of 0. P of 0 means we write in place of x 0 and the remaining all same. 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 6. 0 square is 0. Minus 5 into 0, 0 plus 6. 0 minus 0 plus 6 is 6. Next to p of 1, last one. P of 1 means x is replaced by 1. We write in place of x 1. That is 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. 1 square value 1. Minus 5 into 1, 5 plus 6. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 plus 6. Minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2. Over.